So many grand arrangements made. I'm really eager to see what our mentors have in store for us today. So let us start. Here we have small children, two kids who are going to introduce this session to us. Shall we see what they have planned for us? Namaste to all and all present here.
Namaste.
Namaste Bala. How are you? Namaste Mala. I'm fine. How are you? I'm good. Why are you so excited today? Don't you know? Today, our Maji gonna tell us story with the help of puppets. Oh wow. Okay, Bala. What has been my puppet show? So first of all, our Maji is going to tell what is a puppet show, and then she's going to tell us a story with the help of puppets. Wow, super. Shall we start our session? Come on, my dears. Let's move on to our show. So now Maji have explained what is a puppet show and benefits of puppet show. Now we are going to see the types of puppet show. First, string puppet. So we can tie a thread like this. So this is a string puppet and this is a finger puppet. And this is a hand puppet. And then we have sock puppet. So with the help of sock we can make a puppet. So we can make a finger puppet and we can make a hand puppet. And then we have shadow puppet. So like this we can make a bird and we can make many animals to tell a story to our children. And then we have blouse puppet. Blouse puppet. So these are all the types of puppets. Now we are going to see our show, puppetry show. The story is Four Friends.
A long time ago, there lived three friends: Turtle, Crow, and Mouse. They were very good friends. One day, while sitting and talking near the lake, a deer came near them. Seeing the deer, the turtle asked him,
Are you new to this jungle? I have never seen you before.
Yes, I'm new to this jungle. The previous jungle where I lived, I have no friends there. I tried to be friends with other animals, but no one wanted me as their friend. So I left the jungle and reached here. Will you accept me as your friend?
So you are alone in this jungle and you have friend, not a friend, right? Okay.
Yes, I need a friend.
the crow, mouse, and turtle looked each other and smiled.
Until this moment, only we three were friends, but from now onwards, we four are friends. They became friends with them. Next day,
Bala.
Bala, the story is very nice. It's very interesting. So நம்ம மாஜி இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப அழகா ஸ்டோரியை பத்தி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாங்க. அந்த ஸ்டோரியில நிறைய கலர்ஃபுல்லான அனிமல்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்துச்சு. So I am really happy to see the story.
இப்போ உனக்கு புரிஞ்சிருச்சா பப்பட்ரினா என்ன அப்படின்னு?
Yes, Bala.
Thank you all.
Namaste. One and all present here. Now we are going to see grade 1 and 2 puppetry shows. Topic 2 safety rules and roles. இப்போ நாம சாலை பாதுகாப்பு பற்றிய ஒரு பொம்மலாட்ட நிகழ்ச்சியை காண போறோம். இதில் இடம்பெறு கதாபாத்திரங்கள் மனோஜ் மற்றும் கீதா. மனோஜா நம்ம யுவராஜா மாஜியும் கீதாவா நம்ம ஜானகி மாஜியும் பொம்மலாட்ட நிகழ்ச்சியை நிகழ்த்த உள்ளனர். வாங்க இவர்கள் இருவருக்கும் இடையான உரையாடலை நாம பார்க்கலாமா? வாங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
Namaste sister.
காட்சி 1 பள்ளி விளையாட்டு மைதானம்.
Hi Geeta, how was today? Yeah, it's good Manoj. Shall we move to home? Yeah, yes Manoj. But இன்னைக்கு என்ன நடந்தது தெரியுமா Manoj? இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ்ல 2 ஹெச்பி பீரியட் இருந்தது. சோ செம்ம என்ஜாய்மென்ட் தெரியுமா? ஓஹோ, அதுதான் இவ்ளோ ஹாப்பியா இருக்கியா? சரி ஓகே கீதா, வா நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு போலாமா? லா 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 லா. Manoj, do you know what happened yesterday? What happened, Geeta? Yesterday, traffic police stopped my dad and asked him to pay fine. But I don't know why he did so. எனக்கு தெரியவே இல்லை மனோஜ், ஏன் அப்பாவை போலீஸ்மேன் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணாங்கன்னு. Did your dad broke the traffic rule? அப்பா traffic rule ஏதாச்சும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணாம இருந்தாரா? Traffic rule? What is it மனோஜ்? Traffic rule னா என்னன்னு தெரியாதா கீதா? Don't worry Geeta, I will explain you. Traffic rules are employed by the government to the people for their safety on the road. Traffic rules help people to drive in a disciplined manner, Geeta. Oh, இவ்வளோ விஷயம் இருக்கா மனோஜ்? Please, could you tell me more about the traffic rules? Sure, Geeta. Why not? The most important part of the traffic rule is traffic lights. Come on, Geeta. Let's go outside. I will show you where is the traffic lights. Geeta, இங்க பாரு Geeta, இதுதான் traffic lights. Oh, I see. Now I remember Manoj. I have learned a rhyme also in my first standard. I know about that rhyme also, Manoj. Let I sing a rhyme, Manoj? Yeah, sure, Geeta, sure. நீ rhymes பாடி கேட்டு ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு. பாடு Geeta. Red light, what do you say? I say stop. I say stop, stop. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait. I say wait, wait. Green light, எனக்கும் உன் கூட சேர்ந்து பாடணும்னு ஆசையா இருக்கு கீதா. நம்ம ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து பாடலாமா? ஓகே மனோஜ், கமான் மனோஜ். Red light, what do you say? I say stop. I say stop, stop. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait. I say wait, wait. Green light, what do you say? I say go. I say go, go. சூப்பரா பாடுறோம்ல கீதா. ஆமா மனோஜ், நம்ம மறக்கவே இல்லைல்ல. நம்ம ஜீங்கல எவ்வளவு அழகா சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்காங்கல்ல டிராபிக் லைட் பத்தி. ஆமா கீதா. Traffic lights consist of three colors: red, green, and yellow. Red color means to stop. Yellow color means to wait or slow. Green color means to go. Yeah, excellent Geeta, excellent. Traffic lights பத்தி உனக்கு எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல படிச்சத ரொம்ப ஞாபகமா சொல்ற. Very good Geeta, very good. ஆமா மனோஜ், நீ கூட தான் மறக்கவே இல்ல பாத்தியா? ஓகே கீதா, இப்போ நான் உனக்கு வேற சில டிராபிக் ரூல்ஸ் பத்தி நான் சொல்றேன். கீதா, while driving on the road, I'm sure you might come across many road signs. Yes Manoj, I have seen many road signs, but I don't know what is it really indicate. Okay Geeta, today I will tell you the meaning of all road signs. Geeta, you might have been seeing this one. Yes Manoj, ஏதோ sound symbol மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல Manoj. I have seen this sign, but I don't know what does it mean. Yes Geeta, கரெக்ட்டா சொன்ன. This sign indicates no honking. It means we should not honk unless it's necessary. Oh, now I know this. Manoj, can you tell me what this symbol means? We should not take turn left Geeta while driving on the road. If we come and cross the symbol, which means we should not turn left. Okay Manoj, now I know this Manoj. Very good Geeta, very good. Manoj, come fast. We have to cross the road to reach our home. No dear, no. We have to cross only in zebra crossing. Oh, thank God Manoj, you remember me. I forgot this. After crossing the road. Geeta, can you tell me what this symbol means? Yes, Manoj. My dad was already shared to me regarding this symbol. This symbol indicates no entry. You should not enter in that road. Yeah, very good Geeta, very good. Correcta sonna Geeta ni. Manoj, look at that. What is this? Where Geeta? Oh, this one ah. This one denoted no U-turn. If we see this symbol, it means that we cannot take a U-turn in that road. Manoj, look at that. One car is coming very fast. Yes, Geeta, but you don't afraid because speed breaker is here. So you don't worry, Geeta. So what? Geeta, இப்ப என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு? அவங்க கார் ஸ்பீடா வந்தது, பட் ஸ்பீட் பிரேக்கர்ல என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? ஸ்லோ ஆயிடுச்சுல. So this is the speed breaker. If we are driving very fast, And if we see this symbol, it shows speed breaker. We have to reduce our car speed. Oh, I see. Now I understood, Manoj. Okay, Geeta. Time is running very fast. Now we have to reach our home very soon. I hope you understood all this sign. Yes, Manoj. I understood all these traffic symbols very well. Okay, Geeta. Now I share to you some other traffic rules which we should know. Wear helmet while riding a bike and wear seat belt while driving a car. ஓ இப்பதான் ஞாபகம் வருது மனோஜ். ஏன் என்னோட அப்பாவை டிராபிக் போலீஸ் ஃபைன் போட்டாங்கன்னு? அப்பா நேத்து சீட் பெல்ட் போடவே இல்லை மனோஜ். இப்ப தெரிஞ்சுதா உனக்கு அப்பா கிட்ட ஏன் ஃபைன் கலெக்ட் பண்ணாங்கன்னு? எஸ் மனோஜ். கீதா, do you know any other rules? Yes, Manoj. We should always cross only when the sign is green. We should walk only on the footpath. Good, Geeta, good. If we will take care of all these rules, we will stay safe. Yes, Manoj, of course. Thank you so much for sharing knowledge with me. Okay, Geeta. உனக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணதுல நானும் நிறைய ரிமெம்பர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டேன். ஓகே கீதா, நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாமா? எஸ் மனோஜ், நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாம் அம்மா. ஓகே கீதா, பாய். சாலை விதிகளை பற்றிய விழிப்புணர்வு நிகழ்ச்சியை பொம்மலாட்டம் மூலம் அறிந்து கொண்டோம். சாலை விதிகளை கடைபிடித்து விபத்துகளை தவிர்ப்போம். நம்மால் இயன்றவரை பிறருக்கு கற்றுக்கொள்வோம். நன்றி, நன்றி.
So before starting, I would like to ask you one question. What is it that has hands yet is unable to clap? Clock. Clock. Yes. Correct answer. Thank you. Yes, today we have taken the topic time. Yes. So சூரியன், மழை இதெல்லாம் பாரபட்சமே பார்க்கறது கிடையாது. எல்லா மக்களுக்கும் ஒரே மாதிரி தான் அதோட இது காமிச்சிட்டு இருக்கு. மழையா இருக்கட்டும், வெயிலா இருக்கட்டும், அந்த வரிசையில டைம்ங்கிறது நமக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே ஒரு சமமான ஒரு இதுவா தான் இருக்கு. எந்த ஏற்றத்தாழ்வும் காமிக்கிறது கிடையாது. பணக்காரங்களா இருக்கலாம், ஏழைங்களா இருக்கலாம், படிச்சவங்க, படிக்காதவங்க, குட்டி பசங்க, பெரியவங்க எல்லாருக்குமே நமக்கு இருக்கிறது 24 hours தான். அதை நம்ம எப்படி பயனுள்ள வகையில பயன்படுத்தி நம்மள முன்னேற்றத்துக்கு கொண்டு போறோங்கிறது தான் நம்ம கிட்ட இருக்கு. ஸோ எல்லாருக்குமே டைம்ங்கிறது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒண்ணு. ஸோ அதை பத்தி தான் இப்போ 2 குழந்தைங்க பேசிட்டு போறாங்க. Let us see the conversation. Hi Chotu.
Hi Pinku. How are you?
I am fine.
What a pleasant surprise. I didn't expect.
Today I didn't attend the online class, so that I came here to learn the lesson from you.
Oh sure, surely I will teach you. Okay, before starting, shall I ask you one question?
Yes.
At what time did you wake up in the morning?
5 o'clock, Chotu.
Oh my god, very good. Okay, at what time will you have your lunch?
12 to 1 o'clock.
Okay, can you guess the topic?
Yes, I know. It's time.
Very good, Chotu. You are very intelligent.
Thank you, Chotu.
Today Maji taught us about time. Okay, I'll explain you one by one, okay?
Okay, Chotu.
So a clock has 12 numbers. So it has 3 hands, a short hand, the long hand and the second hand. So the short hand represents the hour hand, the long hand represents the minute hand. Okay, Pinku, do you know how to say the time?
No, I don't know. I'll say a very small hand, very long hand. My mother only say the time, correct time. I'll say only where it is.
Same pinch. I'm also like that only. But after today's session, I learned how to say the time. Okay, Pinku, I'll also teach you how to say the time. So the minute hand moves from 5 minutes from one number to the other. So we have 12 numbers. So it comes under the multiples of 5. If the minute hand is in 2 minutes, we should say it as 10. If the minute hand is in 5 minutes, we should say it as 25. Likewise, we have to calculate the time. In the same way, the hour hand moves one number to the other, so it takes 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. To complete one rotation, it takes 60 minutes, so that we call it as 1 hour. Is it clear, Pinku?
Yes, can you ask any questions? I'll answer.
Sure, Pinku. Can you say what time is it?
It is 4:10.
Yes, very good, Pingu, because the minute hand is in 2, so it is considered as
5s are 10.
5s are 10. So the time is 4:10. So there is also another way of saying the time.
How, Chotu?
I'll say you. So if the minute hand is from 12 to 6, we can say it as past. Okay. If the minute hand is from 6 to 12, we can say it as 2. For
Oh.
example, now what's the time?
Now the time is 5:15.
Yes, 5:15. We can also say it as 15 past 4. This is the another way of saying the number.
Oh, okay, Chotu.
Now what's the time?
11:40.
No.
8 5s are 40.
Yes, okay, very good. So now the time is 11:40. So we can also say it as
Puppets could be used only for children. Don't we like puppets? We all of us like puppets. So we can use it for PPPL level, triple PL level, first, second level, primary level, 3, 4, 5, and also we can take this level of puppets even till the grade of 12th or 10th. Now let us see. We have seen it that puppets could be used to say a story in a very beautiful way. We can sing a song using puppets. We can sing rhymes. Then you saw the concept of traffic lights. Then you can use it in the field of mathematics. The next topic, what we are going to show is, we are going to use puppets to describe the concept of chemistry. You know what is science? Every day from morning to evening, whatever happens in this world is science. Maths is the queen of sciences. Chemistry is a branch of science. And you know how many elements are there in chemistry? Can anybody tell me? Yes, very good, fantastic. You can give her a clap. There are totally 118 elements in science. And do you think it is very easy to by heart the atomic number of all these 118 elements? No. Really difficult. Everybody would have studied 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and you have come to this place. So when your chemistry teacher taught you to memorize this atomic number, really I am sure everybody of us would felt it a great thing. It was a very difficult task. Now for that, we are going to use puppets here and we are going to explain it in a very beautiful way so that you will never forget in your life. And those atomic numbers are going to get registered in your mind forever. Are you ready to see what is the trick? Yes. Now here you can see a picture. Can you see a picture here?
Yes.
It shows the picture of a grandpa and a grandson. Will you remember this grandpa and grandson? Yes. The grandpa says hi to the grandson. The grandson says hello. So this is the conversation which takes place between the grandpa and the grandson. Now this is a storyline. It is a tip to learn the atomic number. Now these two words indicate the atomic number of two elements which are coming under the period 1.
H stands for hydrogen. He stands for helium.
Yes. Now do you understand? This grandpa and grandson's picture will never go from your mind at all. HI, high. H stands for hydrogen. He stands for helium. These two are the elements which come under the period 1. Now this is a picture of a lion. Can you see the picture of a lion?
Yes.
Where is it?
Under the car.
It is under a burning car. The lion is below a burning car and it needs oxygen for new life. So this sentence is a very good sentence which you will never forget. Lion below the burning car needs oxygen for new life. This is the second memory tip for the period of elements under the period 2.
Li stands for lithium. B stands for beryllium. B stands for boron. C stands for carbon. X stands for nitrogen. O stands for oxygen. F stands for fluorine. Ne stands for neon.
Okay, so these elements are coming under the period 2. Now can you see the picture of a magician?
Yes.
And there are two cell phones lying by his side and the magician is holding those cell phones. He is making them to stand in the air in a very successful manner using an arc. So what is the memory tip for this? Shoddy magician aligned 6 phones successfully, classic art.
Na stands for sodium. Ag stands for magnesium. Al stands for aluminium. Si stands for silicon. P stands for phosphorus. S stands for sulfur. Cl stands for fluorine. Ar stands for argon.
Next we can see the picture of a principal and a science teacher. The principal called the science teacher very cruel because she's putting the life of the children in a very difficult way to memorize all the elements. So the principal is scolding the science teacher. Principal called science teacher very cruel. So the ma'am is irritated. When principal scolds you, will you feel happy? No, you will not feel. Like the same way, this ma'am is also very irritated. So this is the memory tip for period 4 elements.
A stands for potassium. Ca stands for calcium. S stands for scandium. Ti stands for titanium. B stands for vanadium. Cr stands for chromium. Mn stands for manganese. Fe stands for iron. Anybody can you identify this?
Plant cell and animal cell.
How did you identify this?
Picture. Images.
Picture as well as title, right? It has already mentioned plant cell and animal cell. If I show in front of you any shabby diagram, would you able to identify that is a plant cell, animal cell? It is very difficult to find, right? So with help of neat
here I connected drawing with my concept. Okay? The second thing, you will notice there, I'm a plant cell. In this side, I'm a animal cell. So how will we connect this concept with our concept? You call any students from your classroom, ask them to stand in front of your classroom. You ask them to make a dialogue pattern. One should act like a animal cell, other should act like a plant cell. For example, plant cell say like this. Do you know why I'm looking green? Because of chlorophyll. As well as animal cell like that. Instead of chlorophyll, I'm having lysosomes to digest very hot particles. Like this, we can make a dialogue pattern. Right? Through this, we can develop their conversation, English communication. So here I connect English with my concept. Third thing, when you're focusing separate cell organelles, everything it has a different measurement. For example, plant cell, it has 0.2 to 2.0 micron. As well as when you're focusing animal cell nucleus, approximately 6 micron. So measurement. So again connect my concept with mass. So this is as per our national education policy. Very good children. Art integrated learning. Thank you. So from the beginning to end, you're all very active in my class.
Learning puppetry is a matter of repeated practice and not only sole theory. If we say everything in if we just keep on telling everything and if we don't practice anything, then nothing could be achieved. Only practice makes a man perfect. Puppetry is an art, and once the rules are mastered, they can be put aside to the profit of some artistic liberties that can bring the life and the creative touch of a well-done